Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add anchor point in Photoshop for many way. First of all, I already added this shape and click the pen tool. Right click on your mouse and see this add anchor points tool. Click here, then select corner. Now see this added anchor point. Move anchor point. Hold control. Okay. Or do not use hold control, click corner, then drag it for auto move. And another way to add anchor point, use pen tool, then right click on your mouse, add anchor point. Now see this, add it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.